Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and do click the subscribe button if you haven't done yet, and also don't forget to click the bell icon. Today in this video we are going to make eggless chocolate sponge cake. In a bowl add 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon baking powder and 1 teaspoon baking soda. Mix them well. Now take 3/4 cup of milk and to it add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 1 tablespoon coffee powder and mix it well. To a dry mixture add 3/4 cup powdered sugar and mix it well. Now add 1/3 cup of melted butter and now add a milk and mix the mixture well. Mix until a smooth mixture is formed. Now take your container and grease it with oil or butter. Now add a batter and spread it evenly throughout the container. Now bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes or in a microwave for 5 minutes. And serve it with love. And again, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos.